park every summer starts the same way. You plan a perfect pool day, a beach trip, or a water park visit, and 10 minutes in, the excitement fades. Kids get tired of swimming in circles. Adults float around checking the time. That's exactly why we tried the Hagul underwater scooter for family fun time. It's designed to turn simple swimming into movement, exploration, and shared play without complicated controls or safety worries. At first, it looks like a playful pool toy, but once it hits the water, it pulls you forward smoothly, keeps you moving longer, and makes everyone want just one more turn. 2 speed modes, long battery life, and a floating safety design sound simple, but together, they change how time in the water feels. Stay with us, because once you see how this underwater scooter works in real use, you'll understand why ordinary pool days suddenly feel unfinished without it. First impressions and build quality. Out of the box, the first thing you notice is the size. It's compact, smaller than you'd expect, and surprisingly light in hand. At just under 8 pounds, it feels manageable even for younger users, yet solid enough not to feel like a toy. The body is wrapped in a smooth blue shell with rounded edges, clearly designed with water safety in mind. No sharp corners, no exposed parts. The aluminum frame underneath adds rigidity, while the outer materials feel water-ready and durable. The handles sit naturally where your hands want to be, and the 2-button control layout is instantly understandable. Press to move, release to stop. No learning curve, no instructions needed mid-pool. Another detail that stands out is buoyancy. When you let go, it doesn't sink or drift away. It floats calmly at the surface. That small design choice matters more than you think, especially in busy pools or family settings. First impression? Friendly, thoughtful, and clearly built for real people, not just specs on a page. Key features and unique selling points. Let's start with the feature that immediately changes the experience: 2-speed control. Instead of forcing everyone into one pace, this underwater scooter gives you options. The lower speed is calm and steady, perfect for kids, beginners, or relaxed underwater exploration. The higher speed adds energy, letting swimmers glide faster through the water without feeling out of control. This part really surprised us. The speed doesn't feel jerky or aggressive. It feels smooth, like being gently pulled forward, which makes it less intimidating and far more fun. Next is battery life, and this is where many water toys fall short. Instead of cutting the fun short, this scooter is built for long sessions. Depending on how it's used, it supports extended play short bursts, rest breaks, and repeated dives without constantly worrying about recharging. Even better, it fully recharges in about 2.5 hours. That means you can use it in the morning, charge during lunch, and head back out in the afternoon. Now let's talk safety. Because underwater fun only works when everyone feels secure. The floating board design keeps the scooter stable, even when hands are released. The automatic stop function kicks in the moment you let go of the buttons. No drifting, no runaway motion. It's also waterproof to depths, suitable for swimming and snorkeling, opening up a whole new way to explore pools, shallow seas, and water park. You're not just swimming anymore, you're gliding, observing, and discovering. Portability is another hidden win. This scooter is compact enough to fit into luggage and meets airline battery limits, making it surprisingly travel-friendly. Beach vacations, resort pools, lake trips, it's built to go where summer happens. And finally, the design itself. The playful look isn't just for kids, it removes fear. It invites us. It makes people curious. That emotional response matters, especially when introducing something new into the water. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of replacing swimming, this scooter enhances it by encouraging movement, confidence, and longer time in the water. Usability and everyday experience. Using this underwater scooter feels natural from the very first push. Press both buttons and you glide forward. Release them and everything stops. No lag, no confusion. That simplicity changes everything. Kids don't need constant instruction. Adults don't need practice runs. Everyone just gets it. Here's a quick hook. Once someone tries it, it's hard to get it back. In pools, it turns laps into playful races. In water parks, it adds motion to lazy rivers and open swim zones. During snorkeling, it reduces fatigue, letting users focus on what's below instead of how tired their legs feel. Another hook worth mentioning, it doesn't feel like a gadget you're babysitting. It blends into the experience instead of interrupting it. Comfort stays consistent, even during longer use. The handles don't strain the wrists, and the buoyant design prevents awkward pulling or sinking. And when you're done, lift it out, let it drain, and it's ready to go again. No complicated cleanup, no disassembly. Just simple summer fun on repeat. Real-world use cases and why they matter for families, this becomes the centerpiece of pool days. For swimmers, it adds endurance and movement variety. For summer lovers, it transforms ordinary water time into something memorable. Whether it's kids learning confidence in the water, friends competing playfully, or adults exploring underwater spaces without exhaustion, the scooter adapts to the moment. It doesn't replace swimming skills, it supports them. It keeps people engaged longer, moving more, and enjoying the water together instead of drifting apart. And that's what makes it matter. When you step back and look at the full picture, this underwater scooter isn't about speed or specs, it's about turning water time into shared experiences. Long battery life, simple controls, thoughtful safety features, and a design that welcomes all ages come together in a way that feels intentional. If summer is about memories, laughter, and moments that feel different from everyday life, this fits right in. Availability and seasonal demand matter with products like this, so if you're thinking about adding something special to your next pool day or vacation, you'll find the details waiting below.